a celebration of heritage, sustainability, and intelligent design. This is a handcrafted kandil, a unique chandelier and centerpiece of a stunning installation at Nexus Seawoods in collaboration with Eki Beki Association. At its heart are traditional Buhara masks from Nashik, Maharashtra, a rare papier-mâché art form preserved and practiced by just one family and 5 artisans. These masks honor vibrant folk traditions and celebrate Maharashtra's rich storytelling culture. Integrated lighting within the frame radiates outward, casting expressive patterns of light and shadow. The ropes you see, they're made from pre-loved saris. More than just an installation, this is a living legacy of Indian craftsmanship, a bold vision of sustainable design rooted in culture.